So for today's video is ipapaliwanag ko yung procedure in black and white film processing. So tank method. First is mixing chemicals. Mixing chemicals mix the developer, stop bath, and fixer according to the instruction. Volume and measure may vary depending on the brand. Second is to open the bag, pull out equipment. Lay the film and ready the scissor and opener. In this procedure, we ready the film for processing it in the dark. So pangatlo is to open the film then reel it. Open the film cartridge by moving its cap into the ends. After that, we pull out the film and reel it. First steps, place in the developing tank. After reeling, we place the film into the developing tank. Then we add slowly the developer and wait until the chemical reacts. We should invert and agitate the tank, then wait for it at least 5 to 6 minutes. 6. Number 6 is pour the stop bath. We put the stop bath to avoid overexposure of the film. Overexposure will occur when we expose our film into the developer longer without exposing it to the stop bath. 6 is the rinsing. The film should be rinsed for 10 to 15 seconds in a bath of fresh, running water. The temperature of the water must be as close as possible to the temperature of the developer and fixer to avoid uneven expansion and construction of the emulsion layer. 7th step, dry out the film and remove excess water. Carefully remove the excess water in the film. Make sure that you do it both sides. See if they're in the film because it may allow watermark into the film. Last is the hang the film. Place 1 or 2 old bath towel or absorbent mat on the floor below the drying rack to catch the dripping water or chemicals as to not ruin the floor. After processing film, place one end on an alligator clip attached to the towel and hang a loose clip at the bottom of the film strip. Let it hang and drip dry. So second is the tray method. First step, place developer into tray. First, we need to out our developer. So next is tray method. First step, place developer into the tray. First, we need to out our developer into tray and ready the chemical mixture. Second step, remove the film cartridge. Open the film cartridge by removing its cap into the ends. After that, we pull out the film and reel it. Third step is timer it. Set out the timer and time out the process. First, pang-apat na step, place the film into the developer tray. Place the film into the developing tray to develop the image from the film. 5 is placed into the stop bath tray. Place the stop bath to stop the overexposure of the film into the developer. 6 to 7, place into the fixing tray and wait. Place it into fixer to ensure that the image is almost perfect as it should be. Wait until the image is processed and the film carefully. And last is washing and drying. Wash the film and remove excess water and chemicals. Dry it out using sponge to avoid watermarks. Clip and hang it into drying area.